Welcome to Best Choice. The Best High Sierra Rolling Duffel Bag is probably one of the most versatile and durable travel companions you can find, designed to withstand the rigors of frequent travel while keeping your belongings organized and protected. Its spacious interior, robust construction, and convenient rolling design make it an ideal choice for everything from weekend getaways to extended adventures, offering a practical and stylish solution for all your packing needs. Number 5. S-Zone Travel Canvas Duffel Bag. Introducing the S-Zone Travel Canvas Duffel Bag, your perfect companion for any journey. This versatile bag is designed for both style and practicality. Crafted from high-quality canvas, it offers ample space for all your essentials. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of travel. Designed as a convenient carry-on, it fits easily into overhead compartments. Travel light and smart with this essential piece. Whether it's a short business trip or a weekend getaway, this duffel bag has you covered. It's the ultimate weekender bag for men on the go. Its classic design makes it a stylish accessory for any outfit. Experience the perfect blend of fashion and function with this exceptional duffel bag. What we like. Crafted from durable canvas, this bag offers a classic aesthetic. Its carry-on size makes it incredibly convenient for shorter trips. If you appreciate a vintage style and need a reliable bag for weekend getaways, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It's a great size for a 2 or 3 day getaway. It's stylish and durable, and I have had no issues with it. The inner pockets are convenient, and the top outer pocket is big enough for a charging cable and other items you need easy access to. The oversized tote is tremendous. I use this bag for short trips and weekends with family. It is good looking, rugged, easy to stow under seat or overhead. I can take a lot of clothing. My recent trip I had 3 changes of clothing, biz and casual, the small DOP kit already mentioned, 2 pairs of shoes, 2 belts, workout clothes, a hat, and still had room left over. It is not cumbersome either. I can carry it by straps which are very sturdy or throw it over my shoulder. Bonus, there are many hidden inside pockets if required, and I just noticed an extra zippered pouch on outside of bag I had not previously noticed. What is most impressive about it is its quality of materials and workmanship. This is a bag that will likely outlive any owner. The leather is supple and strong as well as being well sewn. The whole bag is strongly sewn. It has good capacity and give, can easily contain a weekend of casual clothes along with a pair of shoes and toiletry bag. The zipper is brass, strong, works well, and again well sewn. The cloth is a rugged material. Appearance, rich and classy at the highest level. Number 4. REDCAMP 85L 120L 140L Foldable Duffel Bag with Wheels. Introducing our large capacity foldable duffel bag, perfect for all your travel needs. It offers ample space for your belongings and can be easily folded for convenient storage when not in use. Navigate through airports and train stations with ease thanks to the integrated wheels. This feature makes transporting your luggage a breeze, even when fully packed. Crafted from high-quality materials, this travel duffel bag is built to withstand the rigors of travel. You can trust it to keep your items safe and secure on every journey. Available in 85L, 120L, and 140L sizes, you can choose the perfect capacity to suit your trip length and packing requirements. It's designed to accommodate everything you need. Whether you're going on a long vacation or a short getaway, this foldable duffel bag is your ideal travel companion. Its practicality and durability make it a must-have for any traveler. What we like. This bag offers incredible versatility with multiple size options and a foldable design for easy storage. The wheeled option makes it a breeze to transport, even when fully packed. If you need a flexible luggage solution that can adapt to various trip lengths and storage constraints, this is the one to consider. What people say. Made from durable, water-resistant fabric, it keeps clothes and equipment safe from splashes or sudden weather. This lightweight foldable roller duffel is very well made and should hold up over many years of international travel. The wheels glide smoothly through airports, train stations, and ferry terminals, while the reinforced handles feel tough for van life, boats, and rugged outdoor adventures. Number 3. Gonex 100L Rolling Duffel Bag. Introducing the Gonex Rolling Duffel Bag, designed for your next adventure. It's spacious and built to last, making travel a breeze. Crafted from high-density, water-repellent PVC fabric and durable YKK zippers, this bag is both lightweight and wear-resistant. The ergonomic telescopic handle ensures comfortable handling. With a large main compartment and multiple interior and exterior pockets, it easily holds everything you need for a 10-day trip. Keep your belongings organized and accessible. Featuring reinforced handles on all sides and large, silent, tear-resistant wheels, it glides smoothly over any terrain. Transporting your luggage has never been easier. Internal straps keep your items secure, while compression belts prevent shifting. A convenient side card holder helps you easily identify your bag. This 100L rolling duffel is perfect for extended travel, camping, road trips, and any outdoor activity. It's the ideal choice for all your journeys. What we like. Constructed with a water-repellent PVC fabric and robust YKK zippers, this bag is built to withstand the elements. Its generous 100L capacity ensures you can pack everything you need for extended journeys. If you're embarking on long trips, camping adventures, or self-driving tours and require a durable, spacious, and weather-resistant bag, this rolling duffel is an excellent companion. What people say. The bag is very spacious and can hold a lot of items. The wheels are sturdy and roll smoothly, making it easy to transport. The fabric is durable and seems like it will hold up well to travel. Number 2. Travelpro Pro Bold 2.0 30-inch Duffel. Introducing the Travelpro Pro Bold 2.0 30-inch drop-bottom rolling duffel. It offers ample space for all your travel needs, built with durability in mind. Navigate through airports and hotels with ease. Its rolling design ensures smooth and effortless mobility, making your journey more convenient. Discover smart storage solutions designed for organized packing. The drop-bottom compartment provides versatile options for separating your belongings. Crafted for the demands of travel, this duffel is built to last. Its robust construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of frequent use. Whether for a weekend getaway or an extended trip, this rolling duffel is your perfect travel companion. Experience the convenience and reliability it offers. What we like. Featuring a unique drop-bottom compartment for organized packing and constructed from durable polyester, this bag is designed for robust travel. The 30-inch size offers ample space for longer excursions. If you're looking for a well-organized and sturdy rolling duffel that can handle extensive travel needs, this is a solid option. What people say. The bag is huge, and right at the allowed size for a checked bag. And relatively lightweight considering the size and construction. This bag is very well made with excellent materials that are somewhat waterproof. The zippers are large and heavy, which should add life to them, plus they are somewhat protected from damage during the travel process. The wheels are also protected and even full with 50+ pounds, the bag rolls super easy and will stand on one end with ease. Number 1. Highland Tactical Squad Rolling Duffel. Introducing the Highland Tactical Squad Rolling Duffel. It's a large rolling duffel bag crafted from heavyweight, durable polyester, ready for any adventure. The U-shaped, two-way zippered main compartment offers ample space for all your gear. Inside, you'll find an internal zippered mesh compartment on the top flap for organized storage. Keep your essentials close at hand with the large front pocket. It provides easy access to small gear and accessories, so you're always prepared. Don't mix your footwear with your other items. This bag includes an additional side pocket specifically designed for shoes or boots. With dimensions of 30 by 14 by 14 inches, this rolling duffel provides generous capacity for extended trips or demanding expeditions. Constructed from heavyweight, durable polyester, it's built to withstand rigorous use. Trust it to protect your equipment wherever you go. What we like. Built with heavyweight, durable polyester, this bag is made to last through rigorous use. The convenient U-shaped opening provides easy access to the main compartment, complemented by multiple pockets for organization. If you need a tough and practical rolling duffel for demanding travel or outdoor activities, this option offers reliability and accessibility. What people say. The inside length is a true 29+ inches, so the dimensions and description are accurate. It's got an awesome amount of room for the size of the bag. I keep a week's worth of clothes, toiletries, towel, and my mattress topper in a vacuum bag, and still have a little bit of room. The quality of the fabric is great. It's durable and not heavy. I like that it has the option to expand out the sides if needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.